If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and run a connection test. If the connection fails, try restarting your router while connecting to a different network. Step 2. Update software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch and the game you are trying to play are updated to the latest version. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose Restart. This can refresh the system and fix minor glitches. Step 4. Check game settings. Verify that the multiplayer settings in the game are correctly configured. Some games require specific settings to enable multiplayer features. Check the in-game options or consult the game's manual for guidance. Step 5. Test with other games. If the issue persists, try playing multiplayer with a different game. This will help determine if the problem is with the specific game or the console itself. If other games work fine, the issue may be isolated to the original game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most multiplayer issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.